The Z Fold 7, which Samsung introduced with industry-first technology, is a game-changer. With ultra features, the Z Fold 7 is one of the thinnest folding phones available. The Z Fold 7's hinge is a notable feature, and it shares the same camera as the S25 Ultra. That being said, the Z Fold 7 lacks a periscope lens and a 100x magnification. Better cameras, a larger screen, a thinner design, increased endurance, and a higher price tag are all anticipated features of the Z Fold 7, according to it. Samsung may raise prices in select areas, but it is expected to maintain prices in the majority of them, according to a verified source. Like the Z Fold 7 Special Edition, the Z Fold 7's display is the same size, measuring 8 inches by 6.49 inches. Similar to the Z Fold Special Edition, the cover display is almost identical. The thickness and internals of the Z Fold 7 and Z Fold Special Edition are comparable, but the display size is larger than that of the Galaxy Z Fold 7. The Galaxy Z Fold 7's price has been revealed, and it is anticipated to cost $1,899, much like the previous model. But according to Trump, Apple and Samsung phones manufactured outside of the US would now be subject to 25% tariffs, which may raise prices in certain nations. With flip phones priced at $1,899 and $1,999, the majority of markets will maintain the same pricing as the previous generation. This is fantastic news for anyone who want to purchase the Z Fold 7 and maybe increase Samsung's sales. However, it is crucial to remember that price increases may occur in certain industries, and it is still unclear which markets may see price increases. With an ultra-wide camera and a greater fold size than the Z Fold 6, the Samsung Z Fold 7 is a major advancement in the foldable phone industry. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.